Welcome to my channel, where I'll be sharing the most accurate and detailed information about making money online with paid surveys. In this video, I'll be discussing everything you need to know about paid online surveys and how to make money with them. So, if you're interested in making some extra cash online, keep watching. Section 1. What are paid online surveys? Paid online surveys are a way for companies to gather consumer feedback on their products or services. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion because they want to improve their products and services to better meet your needs. Paid surveys are conducted by market research companies on behalf of these companies. Section 2. How does it work? To participate in paid online surveys, you need to sign up with a reputable survey site. Once you've signed up, you'll be asked to fill out a profile survey. This survey will help match you with surveys that fit your demographics. When a survey becomes available that matches your profile, you'll receive an email invitation to participate. The email will include the details of the survey, such as the length of the survey and the reward you'll receive for completing it. Section 3. Tips for making money with paid online surveys. Tip 1. Sign up with multiple survey sites. The more survey sites you sign up with, the more surveys you'll be eligible to take. This means more opportunities to earn money. Tip 2. Be honest when filling out surveys. It's important to be honest. Survey companies have ways of verifying the accuracy of your answers, and if you're caught lying, you may not be eligible for future surveys. Tip 3. Be consistent. To make a decent amount of money with paid online surveys, you need to be consistent. Set aside time each day or each week to take surveys. This will help you reach your earning goals. Section 4. How much money can you make with paid online surveys? The amount of money you can make with paid online surveys varies depending on the survey site and the length of the survey. Generally, surveys pay between $1 and $5, but some surveys pay more. If you sign up with multiple survey sites and are consistent with taking surveys, you can expect to make around $50 to $200 per month. Section 5. Best paid survey sites to join. Now that you know the basics of paid online surveys, let's take a look at some of the best survey sites to join. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular survey sites. In addition to surveys, you can also earn money by watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. 2. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is another reputable survey site. They have a large selection of surveys and pay out quickly. 3. Vindale Research. Vindale Research is a survey site that pays cash for your opinions. They also offer product testing opportunities. 4. Pinecone Research. Pinecone Research is an exclusive survey site that pays $3 per survey. They also have a referral program that can earn you even more money. 5. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a survey site that pays cash for completing surveys and other tasks. They also have a $5 sign-up bonus. Section 6. How to optimize your YouTube video for SEO. Now that you have a script for your video, it's important to optimize it for SEO. This will help your video rank higher in search results and get more views. A. Title. Include your target keyword. Make money online with paid surveys in the title of your video. This will help YouTube understand what your video is about. B. Description. Include a detailed description of your video that includes your target keyword. This will help YouTube understand the content of your video. C. Tags. Use relevant tags that include your target keyword. This will help YouTube categorize your video and show it to the right audience. D. Thumbnail. Use an eye-catching thumbnail that accurately represents your video. This will help attract viewers to click on your video. Paid online surveys are a legitimate way to make money online. By signing up with multiple survey sites, being honest and consistent, you can earn a decent amount of money each month. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.